Hi guys, Matthew here, just showing you how to copy modules from another scenario into another in Integromat. So there's many reasons why you might do that, and in my case I'm doing that for consistency throughout scenarios. It's always good for fault finding. So what I'm going to do here, the one in question is this module here. So all these here. So how did I bring up that rectangle? So I use the shift button and left clicked. So that's going to be important because that's what we're going to need for the demonstrations of this cut and paste exercise. So this is the scenario I want to change. So this one here, in my case, to the very top, this is what I name it. And in another video I'll show you why I name it as such with brackets at the start. However, let's go to the scenario that I want to copy across. So this is the one here, so you'll notice that it is a different scenario altogether. So shift and left click to bring up that rectangle. If you had a key eye, you would have noticed that previously these modules are rotating, they're moving as if it's been highlighted, something is about to happen, or you have the option to change something. And that is different from all the rest. So you notice that all the others haven't been selected. It's only that module there, the Coda one. This is Coda. I use Coda as well. So what do we do in that instance? Well, we use shift and left click like we did before. Again, highlight it. Probably similar, but right click. We're using a mouse, so I right click to bring up the action options. I'm going to copy modules. So that's brilliant. That's what I want to do. So again, we're in this module here. Just demonstrate that it does work, and we're going to copy into this scenario here. I mentioned module before, I meant scenario. So I don't want this anymore. I don't want it because after a while you refine scenarios and you work out how it best works. So I'm actually just going to delete it altogether. And I just simply want to replace it. So go right click, delete modules. Okay, so if I haven't pasted anything else or I haven't deleted, so this should be still in my clipboard. So if I right click the Coda modules from the previous scenario that I did copy, these ones here, they're still highlighted. Doesn't necessarily have to be open, mind you. This other scenario, you don't need multiple screens. I just do this because it's easy to work with Integromat. So I'm just going to paste. So here they are. So it might overlap other modules, depends where you clicked your right clicked and then pasted them. That's no issue. If it's still highlighted, you can simply left click and drag it where you want it. So hopefully that helps. So what we went through there was how to copy and paste